Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm telling you about the problems when speaking in English and why does it happen and how can we overcome that? So there are many ways to find out what are the problems and how can we overcome that. So I'm saying all the things in my way and whatever I have gone through uh, while learning English, and I'm a learner, and because learning is a life journey and we should keep on learning new things, new language, on anything we want to learn and we want to explore, we should learn that learning is a life journey. So on that note, now I come to the point. So the first problem is we shiver. Why does it happen? It happens because of the fear of getting slipped of tongue maybe. So it's all because of the fear of English. We fear of English, that's why we shiver before initiating any conversation. And the second one is we get stumble. So why does this happen? This happen because of not doing enough study of English. So we need to keep on doing speaking, practicing, as well as reading, listening and writing. Okay. So the third one is sometimes we are unable to get the exact word, and this happens because of you are not being able to substitute the word to another word. That's why it happens. So you need to learn lots of vocabularies also, day to day vocabularies. And the next one is sometimes you feel like you are helpless while speaking English, because you feel sometimes you are lacking the content. What should I talk about? And I'm forgetting the exact topic. Okay, so this is also here I'm also saying you the same thing, that if we do uh, more practicing and more study or more learning about English grammar or sentence construction, if we do so, we can magnify our the way of speaking, practicing, and the way of understanding English also. So we just need to do study in the context of I'm saying you all the things. Learning means listening, reading, writing, and the most important thing is speaking. Okay, the next one is sometimes we feel like less motivated or disheartened. And why do we feel so? We feel this because of not finishing the topic or conversation we earlier started, and we feel like regret or repentance that we were not that confident, and we haven't been that confident. So we need to do lots of study, lots of practicing in the terms of reading, listening, writing and speaking. Again and again I'm repeating this thing, reiterating this thing, but this is the fact. So maybe you think that what is she saying, all the things, maybe she's crapping. Maybe you are thinking that whatever she is saying is not right or is not up to the mark, but this is the fact and you'll have to believe in me. If you have watched me in my videos and listened to me, then some of points you understood, maybe you must have understood. So you need to work on that. You need to keep on doing your practicing of speaking, writing, listening, reading. The way you read it out loud, the things you are reading, read it out loud, and that's how you can twist your mouth to say things out loud, and you will become habitual to say words, some concrete words, so easily. effortlessly. So sometimes we feel like this word, I cannot talk, I cannot speak up in a right way. It happens because of you are not doing your speaking, practicing, you are not read anything out loud in English. So you need to retain that whatever you are reading, read it out loud. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Thank you.